To set up a Google Analytics tracking ID, start by creating a Google Analytics account if you do not already have one. Go to the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you will need to create one. Once you are logged in, click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. You will be asked to provide some information about your website, such as the website name, website URL, and industry category. After filling out this information, click on the Next button. You will then be asked to accept the Terms of Service agreement. Read through the agreement and check the box to accept the terms. Next, you will be taken to the tracking info page where you will find your tracking ID. This is a unique code that you will need to add to your website in order to track visitor data. The tracking ID is usually in the format of UAXXXXXX. To get the tracking code, click on the Tracking Info tab and then click on the Tracking Code tab. You will see a block of code that you can copy and paste onto every page of your website. This code is usually placed in the head section of your website, just before the closing head tag. If you have a website builder like WordPress, you can also use a plugin to add the tracking code to your website. There are many Google Analytics plugins available that make it easy to add the tracking code to your website without having to edit the code yourself. Once you have added the tracking code to your website, you can start tracking visitor data in Google Analytics. It may take up to 24 hours for the data to start showing up in your account. So be patient and check back later to see how your website is performing. It is also important to note that you should only have one Google Analytics account per website, and you should only use one tracking ID per website. Using multiple tracking IDs can cause problems with your data and make it difficult to get an accurate picture of your website traffic. By following these steps, you can set up a Google Analytics tracking ID and start tracking visitor data on your website. This will give you valuable insights into how visitors are interacting with your website and help you make data-driven decisions to improve your website and increase conversions.